it went from being the Wild West to being super restrictive, and now we're kind of like fighting for that middle ground. And I think that progress will be made, but we're kind of in that period of time.
What are some of your current projects right now?
So right now, speaking of regulations, I'm doing some consulting work. I don't think I'm allowed to say the country, but I'm helping analyze drone regulations and provide feedback from an operator's perspective. So like that was something I've been working on this week. So basically going line by line through everything and explaining, okay, because there's a lot of things in, drone regulations that might sound good in practice. And you're like, yeah, like I want to respect people's privacy, or I think it is good to ask for this type of authorization. But in practice, it's overly burdensome for the operators. And so it isn't necessarily feasible